Are you struggling with sunburn, face redness, wrinkles, or dry skin that won't just stay hydrated? In today's video, I'm breaking down the 5 most powerful skincare gels you can use for glowing, smooth, and youthful skin. Aloe Vera Gel, Snail Gel, Tomato Gel, Green Tea Gel, and Cucumber Gel.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
These natural gels are rich in antioxidants, vitamin, and skin healing nutrients. And I will show you how each one works for hydration, anti-aging, pimples, fine lines, redness, and more. So make sure you watch to the end because you will also learn which gel is best for your unique skin problem. And also do remember to like the video, leave a comment, and also thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking today's video. I am super duper excited to see you here. So the first one we'll talk about is aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Now these are powerful antioxidants. It has minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. It has enzymes and amino acids that help to repair the skin. Now, benefits of aloe vera gel to the skin. Aloe vera gel gives sunburn relief because it instantly cools and calms down sunburned skin. Secondly, it helps with redness and irritation. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, it helps to reduce redness and swelling on your face and on your skin generally. Now, aloe vera gel is very hydrating to the skin because of its water content. It helps to keep your skin soft and plump. Aloe vera gel also has anti-aging properties because it helps to stimulate collagen production on your skin, which helps to fight fine lines and wrinkles. Aloe vera also has antibacterial properties, which helps to reduce breakouts and pimples on your skin. Aloe vera gel also aids skin barrier repair because it helps to speed up the healing process of wounds, scars, and burns on your skin. Now, aloe vera gel is best for sunburn, dry skin, acne prone skin, and redness on the skin. Now, the second on our list is Snail Gel, which contains snail mucin. Now, the nutrients contained in snail mucin are 1. Glycolic acid for exfoliation, hyaluronic acid for hydration, collagen and elastin proteins. It also has peptides that helps to boost healing on the skin. Now, benefits of snail gel to your skin. It helps in the plumping and hydration of your skin. Because of the hyaluronic acid content in it, it helps to lock in deep moisture into your skin. It also has anti-aging benefits to your skin because it increases your skin's elasticity and also reduces wrinkle appearance. It also helps with scar and spot fading on your skin because it helps to repair damaged skin cells and also fade hyperpigmentation. It helps with pimples and acne on your skin because of its antimicrobial effects that reduces breakouts on your skin. It also helps with redness and sensitivity on your skin because it helps to soothe irritated skin and also strengthen your skin barrier. So snail gel is best for wrinkles, fine lines, acne scars, dull skin, and saggy skin. Now, the third on our list is tomato gel. Now, tomato gel has lycopene in it, which is a very strong antioxidant against sun damage. It also has vitamin C, which brightens and boosts collagen production on your skin. It also has vitamin A, which improves skin renewal. It also has potassium in it, which balances your skin's hydration. So now, these are some benefits of tomato gel to your skin. Number 1, it helps with sunburn and redness on your skin. Because of the lycopene properties it has, it protects and heals UV damage, which is sun damage. It helps to brighten your skin. It helps to even out your skin, and it also helps to fade dark spots. Anti-aging. Because it has antioxidant properties, it helps to fight free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines to your skin. It also helps with pimples because it helps to reduce excess oil production on your skin. Also, it helps with skin softening. If there's one thing tomato gel really does for your skin, it is skin softening. Okay, it helps to smooth rough and textured skin. It helps to smooth rough and textured skin, honestly. So tomato gel is best for sunburn, redness, oily acne prone skin, and dull skin. Now, the first one on our list is green tea gel. This particular one is super amazing, and it has EGCG, which is a very, very strong antioxidant. It also has vitamin B2 and vitamin E in it, which is very, very beneficial for healthy, youthful skin. It also has something called tannins in it, which helps to tighten pores and reduce oiliness on your skin. So now, benefits of green tea gel to your skin. Number one, anti-aging. Obviously, it helps to slow down wrinkle formation, and it also helps to tighten skin. Now, if you have open pores and you have been looking for something to help tighten your skin pores, go for green tea gel. It really, really works. Green tea gel also works for redness and inflammation on your skin. It helps to calm sensitive skin. If you're having redness, you're having inflammation on your skin, get green tea gel. It is going to benefit your skin in a very, very good way. It also helps for pimples and acne because of its antibacterial properties. It helps to fight the acne causing bacteria. So if you are someone that you are having recurring pimples, every time pimples are always coming out on your face, green tea gel is going to really, really help you. Or a pro tip, green tea on its own. If you have green tea, okay, yes, just get the tea and always spray it on your face. You're going to notice that those inflammation always coming out, those pimples always coming out regularly, they are going to really, really reduce. Green tea is very, very beneficial for pimples, for acne, for inflammations on your skin. Try it and let me know how it is. So green tea helps with hydration on your skin. It helps to balance oil production on your skin while keeping your skin soft and plump. Yes, as I already said, it helps in plumping of the skin because it improves your skin's elasticity because it has antioxidants in it. Now, green tea gel is best for acne prone skin, oily skin, anti-aging and redness. If you have any of these issues on your skin, get green tea and you're going to thank me later. Please, if you have not liked this video at this point, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not, leave a comment, and let's go to the last one. So the last one on our list is cucumber gel. Now, cucumber has vitamin K in it. It helps to reduce puffiness and dark eye circles. If you're always having puffy eyes in the morning when you wake up, you have dark eye circles, then this one is for you. It has vitamin C, which helps to brighten and also protect the skin. It also contains silica in it, which helps to strengthen your skin. And it also has high water content. You already know that for hydration. Cucumber is very, very hydrating for your skin, so it's also going to benefit those with dry skin. So now, benefits of cucumber gel to your skin. Number one, it is very, very cooling and soothing on your skin. If you are someone that you are always in the sun, you like to have that cooling sensation on your face, get cucumber gel. It is very, very good. It is one of the best remedies for sunburn, for redness, for sensitivity on the skin. Secondly, cucumber gel is very, very good for hydration as it helps to keep your face hydrated and plump. Thirdly, cucumber gel helps with puffiness and dark circles of your eyes. So as I already said, yes, it helps to depuff your eyes. It helps to brighten dark circles on your eye area, and it also helps with eye bags. If you're always having eye bags, get cucumber gel and you're going to love it. And it is also good for anti-aging as it helps to prevent wrinkles by hydrating and nourishing your skin. Cucumber gel is also going to soften your skin as it is going to leave your skin smooth and fresh. Now, cucumber gel is best for puffy eyes, sunburn, sensitive skin, dull skin, tired skin, eye bags, dark eye circles. If you fall into this category, then cucumber gel is best for you. So which gel should you choose based on your skin issues? Because if you notice, most of the gels I mentioned have similarities. So now I'm going to group them, the ones you should get or consider getting if you have any of these skin issues. So number one, if you have sunburn and redness, you should be looking towards aloe vera gel or cucumber gel. For sunburn and redness, aloe vera gel or cucumber gel. Now, if you have wrinkles and anti-aging, if you are looking for something that is going to help you with your wrinkles, fine lines, anti-aging generally, then you should be looking towards snail gel or green tea gel. Okay, if you have acne and pimples, then you should be looking towards aloe vera gel, green tea gel, or tomato gel. These are the three that are going to help you for acne and pimples. Then if you are just looking for hydration and plumping of your skin, then you should be looking towards snail gel and aloe vera gel. And if you're looking for brightening and dark spots of your skin, then you should be looking towards tomato gel and green tea gel. Like this video at this point if you have not liked this video, and let me know what you think about this particular video. So whether your skin needs hydration, anti-aging care, acne treatment, sunburn relief, one of these skincare gels will be your holy grail. Let me know which one is your favorite: aloe vera gel, snail gel, tomato gel, green tea gel, cucumber gel. Drop a comment in the comment section and let me know which of these gels is your absolute favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on our next one.